Now we're going to be talking about the difference between Superbe and Choice. So let's start with Choice. Choice is a microband that's sewn onto the ZIPLOXX with a fine Swiss lace on top of on the bottom of the microband. So if you want to just look at that, you will see that there's a tiny little microband right on top. That's what we call Choice. And the size of this is 1/8 of an inch. So if you take that to comparison with tape and hair extensions, it would be 4 times this size. So Choice is very, very thin and almost invisible. So we're going to put this one right on top, right here, just to show you what that looks like. So we're going to get to the part where we're talking about how to lay the ZIPLOXX in order for it to lock properly. But right now we're showing you the difference between Choice and Superbe. So when I lock the Choice right here, you will see that you can see a little microband right on top over there. So when doing a full head of ZIPLOXX, you would want to use Choice in the back of the head, or on the bottom where you can't really see them. That's why we made Superbe, so you can use it on top. Now let me show you the difference. This is Superbe. Superbe is all hand knotted on Swiss, French, and European lace. So if you take a look at that, you will see that it looks like her hair is growing right out of her scalp. There is no microband on top over here. This is like a lace front wig. So when I lock this on the hair, you'll see that it's invisible. And of course, if it was the same exact color, you will not even notice it over here. But as I'm locking this in, and you take a look at that, you can see that there's no band over here. So this looks like her scalp, and it just looks like the hair is growing right out of her scalp. So when you blend this in, I'll put a couple of hairs over this so you can see the difference. It just looks like it's just starting right there. So that's the difference between Choice and Superbe. Superbe was created so we can use it on top of your hair. If you have fine hair, if you have thin hair on top, and you want to put extensions on top, you would use Superbe, and then use Choice on the bottom of this. So if I was using this on top, I can use a Choice right on the bottom of this just to fill in the hair. And I don't need to use Superbe all over because Superbe is more expensive than Choice. So I would lock this right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have the Superbe right on top, so it covers the Choice. And then you can tell that this is quite seamless.